was a boogly woogly piggy, and he boogie woogied all the way home. This little piggy had roast beef, this little piggy had none. But this little piggy was a boogly woogly piggy, and he did the Lindy all the way home. Oink, oink, piggly wiggy piggy, oink, oink. Boogly woogie boogie, oink, 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 oink. The boogly woogly piggly with the oink, oink. This little piggy dug 2 beat. This piggy thought the waltz was divine. But this little piggy was a hip little piggy, and he boogie woogied all of the time. Then this piggy got a brand new name. They called him Boogly Woogly Piggy. And the other 2 were put to shame, because they didn't understand what it was about. 3 little piggies were they, different in every way. This little piggy went to market, this little piggy stayed home. But this little piggy was a boogly woogly piggy, and he boogie woogied all the way home. This little piggy had roast beef, this little piggy had none. But then this little piggy was a boogly woogly piggy, and he did the Lindy all the way home. A wiggly piggy, da-da-da-da-da. This little piggy went to market, babe. This little piggy stayed at home. Yes, but this little piggy was a boogly woogly piggy, and he boogie woogied all the way home. This little piggy had a hot roast beef, and this little piggy had none. But this little piggy was a hip little piggy, and he boogie woogied all the way home. No doubt about it, this little piggy did the boogie all the way home.